Hi guys, welcome back to another random Rick the Spuds mechanic video. I'm not a mechanic, but this is such a super quick, easy fix. I've got to share it. So if your gear stick has gone super stiff and it's really hard to change gear, before you take it down to the garage and get your gearbox checked, it's likely to just be your gear linkage. This has happened to me on the Transit about 2 years ago, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the reason the van is parked inside, I wanted to get it outside to see I've got some better lighting, but basically it goes forwards and backwards, although that is reasonably stiff, and it doesn't go side to side at all. Like fifth is over there and first is supposed to be over there, but so I've got a tiny bit of movement in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my mum to come and sit in here, move the gear stick forwards and backwards as much as it'll go, and I'm going to go in the engine bay and squirt grease on the gear linkage, and hopefully that will sort it out. So on this 2007 Ford Transit, you've got the engine there, gearbox down here, and then if I can get down there on top of the gearbox, you've got that gearbox selector. So there's two shafts, one that go one way and one that go the other. Right, can you go forwards, backwards? So that's going that way, and that's a little bit stiff. There's another shaft over there, look. And can you try and go side to side? Yeah, nothing at all. And that's the one that's sticking down the bottom. You can see it's all rusty. So I'm going to try and get some lithium grease on there. Any spray grease will do, but lithium grease is heat resistant, so it should last a bit longer. All over that. And up there as well. Right, go forwards, backwards. Keep going. Right, now go side to side. Keep going. Go on, force it a little bit. Yeah, keep going. That's it, now forwards, backwards again. That's better. Yeah, keep going. Now go side to side again. Like loads of rusty coloured like grease coming out of it. Yeah, that'll do. Nice one, cheers. Nice one, cheers mum. There we go, look. Oh yes. Still a little bit sticky there. Once I start driving it around, that'll really get it moving around. Beautiful. Sorted. So there you go, if you found that helpful, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Go and buy yourself some WD40 lithium grease, should last a bit longer. And yeah, if you've got a stiff shaft, get some lubrication on it. I can't say that.